Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 32 Vantage. What a fantastic boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's got a shallow draft for the backwaters. It handles well. Also handles the Gulf or the ocean very well also. So it's a great all-around boat. A couple of features on the outside. You've got a dive door on here. You've got a light blue hull. It's powered by the Mercury Twin 300s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Start with back of the boat. We've got a very comfortable seat back here. 3, sometimes 4 adults, very, very comfortably if you're just going out to the beach or just for a ride or sunset, whatever. If you want to throw the line over, you can just lift this up very easily. And now you got a great leaning post for fishing. So rod holders in the back of the boat. On this side, we've got a very comfortable chair. You've got, it does all kinds of action here. You can go all the way down this way. I can bring it all the way down that way. You can lounge this way, you can lounge this way. Just a fantastic seat all the way around the board. Back over in the starboard side, we've got a dive door, which does a couple of different things. It's great for just getting on and off the boat on a floating dock. It's the same level, so very easy access. You can put your ladder over for getting in and out of the water very easily and safely. And also bringing a fish in, instead of bringing them over the gunnel, you can just slide them right in into the 2 fish boxes. Don't lose as many fish that way. So great feature with the dive door. This is the live well, good size live well, very handy, very accessible, and also doubles as a nice cooler, so does that well. Prep station with a pull-out faucet for a sprayer. And over at the helm, we've got 2 Raymarines. And so a lot of times you only have one. This particular one's got the 2. You've got the joystick operation. It'll make the boat go sideways. I got full control of the boat 100% of the time. It's got autopilot, which is kind of auto heading. It's real easy point and shoot. And also the sky hook is my favorite part. You can, if you want to see the sunset, you can just put aim the boat at the sun, hit the button, and you can go sit out there, and you've got your glass of wine, and it's real comfortable. And lastly, on this side over here, you've got a room where get out of the weather. If you got rain or something, it turns into a little bed, so you can have a little lie down there as well. And then the head. So the head's very large. It's got a skylight in it for extra sun. So it's got a vacuum flush on there. It does everything well on this boat. So if you got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.